Alright guys, we're back here with the latest unboxing here. We have a humongous package, which is why I've had it to lay it flat here, like so. And we'll see what's inside. It's going to be a bit of a struggle to keep it on camera. Okay, watch your fingers, little one.
I'm not a little one. I'm still littler.
You're little enough. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. Wait. Oh, can you help me by going over there? Okay. And lift that side of the... There. Just lift it right off. Yay. Fantastic. And this company right here, Verizon Hobby, is a really good company. Can you put the box out of the way so it doesn't make all that noise? Thank you. And I bought... Can you go get that little plane over there?
Okay.
A few other planes, including this one that we will show you in a second. Yeah, that one. Fantastic. This one right here, which is fantastic for kids. It's probably the easiest thing you could fly.
I thought it was a drone.
Well, it's a drone plane, but yeah. It's the easiest thing that flies like a plane that you can use indoors. Anyway, let's see what's the box like. I mean, let's see what's inside the box. Wow. Seriously. All right. Simple enough. They have these little, I think they're called tabs. You can sort of move like so, and then open up here gently, and then move it like so, and there we have it right here. Comes with the instruction manual, as you can see right there.
Propeller.
There's a propeller in there that we will try not to destroy, like even before the thing is open. And let me see if I can just move this. Oh, wow. Okay, so very little assembly required here. Looks like everything is stored immaculately.
Wow. What does that mean?
It means perfectly.
Wow.
It has this
and it also comes with the batteries.
It does. Oh, yeah. Usually they don't come with the batteries, but it has 4, I think it's double A's in there, which go in the remote. And this is great because I don't like the remotes that have like 8 or 12 or, you know, a lot of those.
Very lot of amount.
Then let's see what we got. We got the charger right there.
And the battery?
The battery. And I guess there's some more stuff laying around back there. I thought it'd be spare props, but it's something else. And I guess I'll have to look that in the instructions because I have no idea what that is. The landing gear and everything else is pre-assembled, so I guess that's it. Wow, this is looking great. We'll let you know how it flies in upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.
See you in the next one.
Bye-bye.